I don't think so. Oh, Kevin, no pushing.
Oh, he wants to so bad, Mama.
I know he does.
I think he could probably handle it. You think so?
He could?
I bet he could, as long as they're out of the way. I bet he could. You know him better than I do, but I bet he could.
I bet he could, but I don't think I'm ready for it. Can I hold your hand? No.
Catherine just laughed. Watch out, make sure nobody's in the way, Jake. Make sure nobody's in the way.
Okay, mister, if you really want to, you can give it a shot.
Catherine, is that funny? Is that funny? Yeah. Come on, Micaiah, let's do it. I got it. Come on, show me. Joshua, let Micaiah go. Let Micaiah have a turn. Land on your feet. He's nervous. All right. Yay.